Hello, my name is Tim Searle, and I will be presenting the first of our weekly updates for Team 2. Our company or team name that we came up with is Petrichor Artisanal Malts. The other team members are Blaine Butler, Jason Torrey, and Sarah Young. Our product is custom micro malting for the craft brew and artisan food industry. As this is the first week, we have not yet interviewed any gurus or customers. However, we have identified quite a few already that should provide us some great insight and feedback. This is our initial business model canvas. I'll go ahead and just jump right into our guesses. For value proposition, our business will provide unique and exceptional flavors. Our business is scalable, meaning we can take on large orders. We can provide a standardized, repeatable process which is unique to the industry. We can provide small batch malting with local ingredients, and we will increase local farm production. For customer segments, we guess that we are targeting companies that are looking for more high-end custom malting services. These include craft brewers, malt spirit distillers, and artisan bakers. For customer relationships, we will build strong personal relationships based on shared values and ethics, and ultimately build a strong bond with our customer base. For channels, we guess that initially we will be direct to consumer for brewers, distillers, restaurants, and home brew suppliers, eventually moving towards a distribution co-op. Our guess for key activities are producing the highest quality malt product and developing and maintaining solid business relationships. Our key resources are our unique malting equipment, agreements with local farms for grain storage, sales staff, financial staff, business staff, developers, rights to key intellectual property, and working capital. Our key partners are local grain farmers, grain storage facilities, craft brewers, and craft distillers. For cost structure, the costs involved in our successful business model are high quality grains suitable for malting, water, energy, labor, building, space, equipment, and advertising. And lastly, our revenue stream is direct sales to craft brewers, craft distillers, artisan bakeries, and home brew suppliers. Pricing will be based per pound per product, and there will be reduced pricing for bulk and multiple purchases. For market size, as of 2015, the total addressable market size, the national beer market, is $105.9 billion. The served available market size, the national craft beer market, is $22.3 billion. Our target market, the high-end craft brewer, we estimate to be at roughly 1% of the craft brew market. By our estimation, that would give us a market size of $22.3 million. This seems like a viable market to target. The type of business that we see, this is a startup. Startups focus development and early selling efforts on a very small group of early customers who have bought into the startup's vision. We believe our business fits the mold perfectly, as our mission is to provide a high quality product to a specific market that is repeatable, consistent, and scalable. For the proposed experiments, we stuck to the main points outlined in our text, the Startup Owner's Manual, realizing that we may change our experiments as we receive feedback. For value proposition, we're going to initially do a process test to use different and unusual grain varieties to produce malt using our equipment, and partner with a master brewer to make beer using our product in a controlled way with all other variables held constant. Using a taste test panel of master brewers, we can assess pass or fail. We're going to talk to local farmers and simply ask them if they're willing to produce barley for our business, the yes, no, and ask craft brewers if they're interested in custom malting that is scalable, repeatable, and uses local ingredients for yes, no. For pricing, we're going to ask craft brewers and other customers if they're willing to pay top price, roughly $1.50 a pound, for yes, no. And channel strategy, are the customers fine with dealing with us directly versus a distributor, which is typical, So we're doing direct to customer for a yes, no, and sales process. Once an initial purchase is made, are they likely to return yes, no? Our percentage that will equal success is 60%. The normal customer return rate is anywhere from 5 to 40% depending on the product or service, but because we're such a custom market, we believe that our thresholds should be significantly higher. Thank you.